Hello, gadget lovers. You know me, I'm all about sharing cool, practical finds that make life easier and cooler. And this product does exactly that. The first thing that caught my eye was the design. It's futuristic, but not over the top, just the right amount of flair to elevate your space. It's compact, lightweight, and built like a tank despite its sleek appearance. But here's where it gets even better. It's not just about looks. This thing is a multitasking beast. Whether you're a techie looking to upgrade your setup or a student needing something reliable, this product checks every box. The best part? The price is jaw-droppingly good. You'd think something this versatile and well-designed would cost a fortune. But nope, it's affordable and worth every penny. Want the nitty-gritty? Check the description for all the details. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and click the bell to stay updated. Thanks for hanging out with me today.